Good Saturday. I've never made fried chicken. I did do a video in honor of a movie where we cooked chicken in oil, but it wasn't breaded, so it wasn't really fried chicken. Today's Saturday, December 3rd. 5 years ago at 3 a.m. my father passed away. One of his favorite foods was fried chicken. I thought today we would make fried chicken, and at the same time compare Crisco with Manteca lard and corn oil. I wanted to get Mazola corn oil, but with inflation, this was on sale. This was on rollback. I get 8 more fluid ounces, and it was like 20 cents less, so it's a no-brainer. Genetically modified. Sorry. This is not about health today. You can research all the pros and cons. There are many. Lard, hydrogenated lard, BHA, propyl gallate. Anyway, do we even want to look at the Crisco? Soybean oil, hydrogenated palm oil, mono and you know, we're not talking health here, we're making fried chicken. So my dad used to like to order fried chicken takeout, and you could get all the fixins, mashed potatoes, mac and cheese, green beans, coleslaw. So we're gonna have everything in these, all the sides. There's nothing else to say. Let's stop yapping and let's get cooking. It's Saturday, we're drinking. I heard ya. Oh. Gotta have gravy. When you order a takeout, you gotta say, I'd like some gravy. In honor of my dad today. Let's do it. This is all about flavor today. We are gonna mix our fork with all of them because I'm not using 4 separate forks. This is Great Value mac and cheese, which I have never tried. Great Value green beans. Homemade mashed potatoes. Butter, cream cheese. Delicious. Market side coleslaw. I've never really cared for it. I didn't want to go to Publix. I really like Publix. I really like the coleslaw from Publix. It'll do. The corn oil browned much quicker than the other two. This is the lard, the Crisco. Let's take a bite. I don't know where to begin. Right off, it needs salt. I followed a 1984 fried chicken recipe. That needs salt. Let's take a bite of the Armour. Where do you bite? Okay, here we go. Needs salt. I'm not sure I taste any difference yet. This is the corn oil. I have had very good experience with corn oil and eggs in the whole. Here we go. And they all need salt. Let's take a drink. Maybe the wine will clean my palate. I'm not sure I noticed a difference in flavor yet. Let's take another bite. Crisco. Let's get a piece of chicken. You know, maybe it's good I didn't oversalt them, because the salt would just color all the flavors. It tastes good. There's not much crust. There's more crust on the corn oil. Let's take another bite of the lard. I do taste a little bit of a difference. So far, I think lard beats Crisco. Let's take another bite of the corn oil. So far, I think they're tied. The coleslaw really cleans the palate.
I have to give Crisco one more try. Thank God it's cooked. With salt, it would taste fine. It is bland. There's a blandness to it. I know, it's missing salt, but let's try this again over here.
The lard definitely has more flavor. Crisco's out of the running. Oh, skin's coming off, man. That's what tastes good, the skin anyway, right? It's good. I think it's a tie. Let's try the chicken skin. I'm getting a tie here. Lard and corn oil. Chicken skin. Oh, it's really good. Crispy chicken skin. Wow. I'm leaning a little towards the corn oil, but they're pretty much the same, so I call it a tie. I declare a mistrial. Thanks for joining me this Saturday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.